I don't know what we're doing today. Right, but we're gonna be, I don't know. Should we make the strange noises part 3? Yeah. Whoa, shoot, there's so many mosquitoes. Get off of me! Yo! There's a dead bug on me. There was a dead bug on me. Why is there so much? Whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, it smells like crap in here. No. Oh, it smells a little bit better over here. Yeah, hold on, I gotta park. Let's go. Yo. Those are all mosquitoes too. Let's do it. It's just saying. Oh, just so you guys don't know, we're doing a 24-hour challenge tonight. Yeah. EJ! Well, if he wants to start a problem, then he can speak with me.
No, then,
What, his grandma?
you can touch him, but you can touch
Okay, his grandma won't know. His grandma's demented and retarded. And I hope they're watching right now. Oh, is that EJ right there? No, that's his fat sister. Look at that fatness. Look at that fatness over there. Yeah, we don't like EJ.
Nope. He used to be your friend?
Now he's just our enemy.
Yeah. What? Okay. Okay, what's up with these bugs? Seriously.
I don't know, but you want to go on a bike ride?
Yeah.
All right.
Is that show still out?
Yeah. All right, we gotta turn left down the block. Let somebody hit some round. No, don't cut me. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, you can. Pull up on the block and let somebody get some help. Whoa. Hit the one. I hate that song. So demented. It is Ron. Oh my gosh! Oh! Yo, what are you doing? Oh, it's turning right. Go. No, that thing was turning right. Ugh. We're just gonna skip till down there. Alright. Alright, guys. Unless he wants to play with us. On the block. Yeah, isn't Micaiah annoying?
Dude,
Yeah, because she's so fat that she needs a hoverboard. Yeah, she can't walk. Some kids are annoying, really. Alright, I'm turning around. What? Hey, it's Yo! Yo, that airplane is so close! Isn't it? I'm not even kidding. You guys can't see how close it is, but it's actually really close. It was like right above our head, wasn't it? Yeah, if you know, what's her name?
Ariana Robinson.
If you know her, unsubscribe her and subscribe us.
Yeah.
Ariana is a brat.
More videos than her. She only done like
7.
yeah 7.
We done like 30,
Yeah.
maybe 23. I don't know.
Yeah, we haven't counted.
But we still made a lot of videos.
And the short ones.
She has,
Those were on Vine.
yeah, them short ones were vines. Go a little faster now. Well, you're on the bike with no tablet, and I'm like right behind you. Alright. This is probably going to close our video for today. And, yeah. We hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like. Yeah, and subscribe. Whoa, whoa! All right. Peace. Oh, I forgot, sorry. Peace.